Hello everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to post text on IMVU. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, go ahead and tap on the feed icon at the bottom left of your screen. Now go ahead and tap on text. Now you can go ahead and type in anything that you want to post. Once you're done, tap on the post button at the top right of your screen. To check whether your text has been posted or not, go ahead and tap on following. And that's it. This is how you post text on IMVU. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.